Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make this class morphism effect using CSS. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So without delay, let's jump into the code and continue our video. Here in this folder I have some background and this Google PNG image and this one icon image. So let's create index.html file. Write basic boilerplate, write title class morphism. Let's link CSS. Write link CSS. Open with this with Ctrl plus this link. Create CSS file. Now write basic boilerplate first. Start margin 0 and padding 0, box sizing border box, and font family we should give white. I will this and color white. Now come to the index.html file. Let's make a main tag dot main. Come to CSS and write dot main with VW and height 100 px and give background image URL and this background and write background position center and write background size over. Let's open it with live server. This is our result. Now again come to the file and let's make a card. Inside card we have one header. Make header. Inside this we have one PNG image. Write image and google.png. Inside this we have another save. And inside this also write image save.png and inside p tag write save. After this header is finished, let's come here and write s2 and write in Google in 20 days ago. After this write h1 and write UI UX designer. And after this let's make a div class name buttons. Inside this we have two button into two. We have two button. Let's write full time and flexible schedule. And after this write dot line for horizontal line and let's make footer. Inside this we have that's 3 dot 22 dot 20. Now let's check our website. We have this unorganized page. Let's come and organize this. Let's copy this card, come to CSS file and write dot card width will be 40 VW and height will be 0.5 45 units. Maybe background color white. Come here and write 50 px, and this is our page, white page. Let's come here inside card dot card next. Let's give width of 20 pixels. Of 50 pixels. And now come here inside card. Let's give display plates and align item center and specify content center. Sorry, not inside in card. Copy these all and inside main tag. Now our card is coming to the center. Let's come here again and inside card. Let's give border radius of 20 pixel. Sorry, 10 pixel, and give background filter blur 20 pixel, and come here and decrease the transparency. Let's come here. Now this look like this. Again come here. After inside this card or header, let's give display text. Align center and if justify content space between. Let's come here and into the card. Keep padding of 20 pixels. Again come here inside card dot header dot save. I think this saved. Inside saved image with 20 pixels. Let's keep display flex and align item center. Sorry, only with this and copy this. Inside this, right keep display flex and item center. Now it look like this. Again come here. Inside this, let's dark our transparency level. It's better. Come here inside this card and give gap of 15 pixel. Sorry. Side card, let's give display flex and give flex direction column and give gap of 15 pixel. Looking better. Color header. Let's fix this. X type span. Here this. Come here and give that card point 500 and give font size 15 pixels. font size 17 pixel. 17 pixel. That's nice. Then come here. To all button, right button, and give background color set 22. Maintain this color. The transparency level decrease, and also give backdrop filter blur and so remove border none, and give border radius of 7 pixel. Let's come here and give padding left in top and bottom 5 pixel, and if it right 10 pixel. Now looking good. And come here and decrease this. Decrease color. Now looking nice. Then come here and inside the card dot line, give height of 2 pixel, give background color gray. We can see this line. Come here and change the color. Card right click space and an item center and give display content space between. Now looking good. Come here and decrease width inside card, keep width 25 pw and height with content. Let's see. Now it look like this. Increase width 27 pw, 29 pw, and let's increase height also. Height 40 blocks. This is our page. Let's come here inside the shape, give background color light blue. This transparency level and with padding of up and down 5 pixel and left right 10 pixel, give border radius of 7 pixel. Just decrease 4 pixel and 7 pixel and decrease border radius of 5 pixel. This is our final product. How do you like this? Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.